I am James Sabanag.
And we are here to discuss the Cartesian formulation. So right here is our figure, and James here is going to read what's the problem.
So the given problem is if F1 is equal to 100I minus 120J plus 75K pounds and F2 is equal to negative 200I plus 250J plus 100K pounds. Determine the resultant moment produced by these forces about point O. Express the result as a Cartesian vector.
So, as you can see here, since the two forces starts at the same point, here F1 and F2, what we're going to do is we're gonna calculate the resultant force, and then we're gonna do the moment is equal to cross product between the position vector and the Cartesian form of force vector. So first we're going to draw or identify the resultant force. So here is our resultant force. Ga-act naman siya sa isa ka point or ga-start siya sa isa ka point. So here is our FR. So the moment is vector OA times resultant vector. So before we get that, we're going to need this values. So kanina values kay given na siya since katong read na kuan ni James. So F1 is equal to 100I minus 120J plus 75K. So F2 is equal to negative 200I plus 250J plus 100K. So if FR is simply given by adding them up. So 100 plus negative 200 is equals to 100, negative 100. And 120 plus 250 is equal to 130. I mean, negative 120 plus 250 is equal to 120J. So 75 plus 100 is equal to 175K. So that's why we get this one as our resultant force. So now, all we need to do is that find the position vector of OA. So here, this is the position vector OA. You know that A sits on the origin. So vector O is equal to 0I plus 0J plus 0K since it is located at the center. So the vector A is equal to 4I since its distance is 4 feet, and 5J since its distance at y-axis is 5 feet, plus 3K since its distance from z-axis is 3 feet. And then, to get the vector OA is equal to A minus O. So, vector OA is equal to A. So, A is equal to 4I plus 5J plus 3K. So, our vector OA is 4I plus 5J plus 3K. So, now we get the two vectors. 1 and 2.
And next is to get the moment O is we need to do the cross product. The cross product of the first and the second vector. So to do that, we have the IJK, which is from the second vector, and the negative 100 and 130 and 175 is from the first vector. And we need to write the first and second column, which is the Dij. The Dij is we need to isulat na to balik ang ikopyahan na to ang 4 and 5, which is 4 and 5, and the negative 100 and 130. And to get the value, we have to do the cross product. First is this area is positive, all positive diagonals, and this area is negative diagonals. So we have to do now the cross product. The I times 5 times 175 is equal to 875i. Next is the j times 3 times negative 100 is equal to negative 300j. Next is the k. The k is k times 4 times 130 is equal to 520k. And for the negative diagonals, to get the k is we have to multiply the kaning linya nga naa sa k. The 100 negative 100 times positive 5 times k. So mao nang makuha nato ang 500k. And next is to get the negative 700j, we have to multiply all this kaning value na tungod sa j, which is the 175 times 4 is equal to negative 700j. So negative 700j siya ay negative man ni siya tungod ng diagonal. So next is to get the negative 390i. So I times 3 times 130 is equal to negative 390i. So to get the moment of O,
we have to add up.
All the values here. So 875i minus 390i is equal to 495i. So, and for the j, negative 300 minus 700j is equal to 1000j is equal to 1000j. And next is 500 positive 520 plus 500k is equal to 1020k.
So these are the moments at O that these two forces create. So as we calculate the resultant force by adding them together and did the cross product, this one, a cross product between the positive vectors where the tails go with respect to the point we're trying to find the moment of. So you get the position vector and do the cross product with the resultant force. This one, with the resultant force. And the only reason why ga-work siya because of the both forces have their tails at the same point, which is this one. Mao nakakam up ni Ani are this one kay ang kuan mga like ang forces kay nag-tail siya at the same point. Mao nakakam up ni Ani na solution. If ang isa ka force na dire and ang isa kay diri, kani siya na solution kay dili siya get backward.